Now, we will learn how to use the filter method in the Google Sheet. So, let's get started. Firstly, select the column you want to filter. So, I will select the product name column. Click the column header, then go to Data and select Create a Filter. You will notice a subtle color highlight in the rows and columns indicating where filters can be applied. A small triangle icon has appeared in the column you selected, signaling that filters are now in play, ready to refine and sort your data with ease. Click the filter icon. Choose what you want to display. I will clear all and select only bookshelf. Then click OK, and only bookshelf are now in display. Now, if I want to display carpet alongside bookshelf, click, then select carpet, click OK, and you can see bookshelf and carpet are now in display. Now, if you want to display all, select all 8, click OK, and all 8 are now in display. This is how you use a filter method